That blue shit? Yeah. Nigga, that shit don't spin. Alright, y'all, set up to my boy Mylez. He in North Carolina getting active on like them lazy niggas. But like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh yeah, that's knockout 380. Yeah, he got a cat. I'm out here with the nigga Gene, bro. This your first time on the channel, bro. Yeah, it's just like, hey. Oh, bro. Oh wait, that's CB in front. Oh shit, what's good, bro? Hey, it's crazy seeing you in person, bro.
Oh god. Oh my god. Clothing brand outside. What's up, bro? Hell yeah.
Check us out, where y'all from?
I'm from Florida, bro. Nah, you tough for real, bro. This shit tough.
How much is it for, bro?
15.
15?
Yeah. Them 15, trucker has 15.
You can break them apart, make them shorter, long.
Yeah.
Basically, whatever you want.
How much y'all shirts going for? 45. 45? You gonna throw that bitch on?
I think it was low.
Yeah. These niggas live, bro. They go land. Hop in. Land, hop in.
That blue Charger pulling up on y'all right now?
Grab a tire, bring it forward. Grab a tire, come on. Grab a tire, nigga. Grab a tire, nigga. Grab a tire, nigga.
Niggas doing construction.
You trying to slide? We going over there?
Look, alright. We're gonna watch this Challenger slide right quick and we're gonna go over there.
That nigga know. That nigga know what he doing.
They don't, bro. You see that nigga got a dent in his shit. That nigga don't.
Yeah, he hit somebody for real. That's a person.
Feel me? To the house. He taking that bitch to the house.
Crazy.
Alright, y'all, shout out to my boy Mylez. He in North Carolina getting active on like you lazy niggas.
Yeah.
Y'all better like, comment, subscribe.
Appreciate you, gang.
Oh, God.
Hey, Lynn. You say what's up?
What's good, Lan? That was crazy, bro. Hey. Yeah, what a track. What a. Oh.
Hey, nah, for real. How you pass the scat?
What?
How
That
you
blue shit?
Yeah.
Nigga, that shit don't spin.
What you got done to it right so far, bro?
That shit is 800 horsepower. 800.
Feel me?
That nigga not playing.
Oh, God. Oh.
Hey, you ain't got no time. You ain't got no time. What the fuck? All these niggas in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. You ain't got no time?